So they see me as an opportunist, letting it ride. And if you standing in my way, you will be set to the side. It's a glimpse of my life, I'm just letting you see. Ready for whatever could be. The equivalent is killing shit every single day. And these gon' feel it when I find my way.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to bring you guys my trip to Vegas. I realized I needed more space. This company called Viking bags has reached out. They want me to review one of their bags that I really could have used on this trip. And what I mean by that is, you know, additional room that I could have just packed in this bag. It's a backpack. I could have put my laptop in it, water bottle, you know, sunglasses, anything that I would have needed quick access to that I didn't want to have to lug around a big suitcase. I could have just put this backpack on with my sunglasses in it, you know, any important documentations that I may have needed. You know, it would have been just super easy. So stay tuned. They will be sending me out a bag to do a review on. You guys can stay tuned for that, but I definitely could have used that bag on this trip. It attaches to your bike. You can attach it to your sissy bar. If you have a tour pack that's big enough, you can put it in the tour pack. You know, you can put change of clothes in it. You can put some riding boots, your gloves, hat, you know, anything that you need to get off the road, get to your hotel or wherever you're going. You can just grab this bag and you'll be good to go. So stay tuned for a video of me reviewing the bag. You'll see it in motion. You'll see everything I'm putting inside of it and all the features that it includes. All right, so let's get into the video. This is actually my first time visiting this area. The first time in Vegas was during the pandemic, and all I could really do is go to work and the hotel. So this was really exciting to get out and see some cars, see some live music. There's possibilities to do zip lining and whatever else you can think of. Of course, you know, this is a gambling city, so there's casinos everywhere, the airports, gas stations, hotels, you know. So if you've never been there or been here, that's something you can look forward to. But this was fun. It was definitely a nice work trip to get out and enjoy the city. YouTube, I plan on going to Tulsa, Oklahoma this year for Black Wall Street bike rally. It's in May sometime. I posted the dates a few weeks ago, but definitely looking forward to that. Rub shoulders with you guys. You know, tell me the story of your bike, how long you've been riding, where you're from, any updates that you've done to the bike, you know, what cam, all that type of stuff. So looking forward to it. See you guys out there.